Hello, my friends. Last night I uploaded a video called The Coming Collapse of Astrology. From the comments I received, I realized, oh no, there's some very basic, fundamental things I did not make clear in that video. So in this video, short and sweet, I'm going to give 7 fundamental ideas about why I think astrology as we know it is going to collapse. Okay, point number 1. In practice, if you get a consultation with an astrologer who has years of experience, has been trained in a school, has taken certification exams in almost any kind of astrology, I think you're going to find it works. I was a practicing astrologer for 7 years, saw clients 5-6 days a week. It works, it was helpful, it was meaningful. Was there 100% success? No, but in practice it works, astrologers feel it. That's point number 1. Point number 2, well, what happens if you test the rules of astrology using modern research methods? Because when I did consultations, I said concrete things. I said, this is a good time to do this, etc. Those are things that can be evaluated using modern research methods. Well, I got into modern research methods and checked out. I expected it to work. It's like, whoa, I'm with a client, this stuff works. I did the research, and in general, almost everything was not confirmed by the research, and other people have failed as well. I'm talking about using modern research methods carefully and rigorously applied. I'm not talking about just your personal experience. Point number 1, it works in your personal experience. If you try to evaluate it using control groups and all that fancy stuff, it generally doesn't work. That's the cognitive dissonance. Are we on the same page? Leave a comment below. I'm not a know-it-all. I'm just sharing my experiences. I had cognitive dissonance for over 40 years because it seemed to work. I tested it. It didn't seem to work. All kinds of explanations for why that happens. That's the setting. Okay, point number 3. I got really into this research stuff. I got a master's degree in research and evaluation methods from the University of Florida. I had a very high grade point average. I completed all the work for a PhD, but I decided not to write the dissertation. I gave lectures at research methods conferences, academic. I'm a co-author of a paper. So I really got into this stuff. I experienced a lot of cognitive dissonance because I say concrete things, I couldn't confirm them. Okay, so that's the setting, that's what's going on. Are we on the same page? Leave your comments below. Point number 4. In the past 5 years, after doing this for over 40 years, day in and day out, I'm just obsessed with trying to understand what astrology is, the research started to work. Oh my God, it's working. I almost gave up on it. Started getting high, what we call p-values, large effect sizes, did a strict hypothesis test. That means you get new data, you test it. Oh my God, it's working. This is unbelievable. The most exciting thing, this resolves the cognitive dissonance. This is why I think astrology as we know it is going to collapse and be reborn, because the cognitive dissonance has been erased. The confidence levels are high. If you don't believe it, look at the research. Look at what's happening, okay? I'm talking as a person who's invested half a century into this astrology, day in and day out, also a data scientist. This is just what I concluded. This is exciting. This is amazing. This is just mind-blowing. Okay, that's point number 4. Leave your comments below. Let's sort this out together. That's how progress is made, peer review. It's great if we disagree. That's how we often make discoveries. Let's be blunt. Let's be direct. Tell me you think I'm crazy, whatever you want. Let's sort this out. This is where I am. I've dedicated my whole life to this. I'm still at it. Point number 5. There have been always, but there are some new astrological organizations dedicated to applying modern research methods to see if astrological variables produce measurable effects. That's does it, quote, work? Why are we doing this research? Some people put comments below, oh, why do you want to prove astrology and be accepted? I don't want to prove astrology to anybody else. I don't care what other people think. I want to know, does astrology, what is this thing? I had cognitive dissonance. Now I'm finding out, OMG, it actually does work. I was right at the beginning. But the surprise is that what we've confirmed works is a little bit different than I thought. Actually, quite a bit different. Astrology works in our personal experience, and it works using modern research methods to test it. However, the modern research methods, the things that have been confirmed so far, are not necessarily the things most astrologers use. Okay, so if you think that there are variables, in other words, planets and signs, houses, aspects, whatever, that have tangible effects that you can actually see, like a tendency to get into an accident or whatever it is, email your ideas to the Cosmobiology Institute. There's the email address, info@cosmobiologyinstitute.org. Yelling and screaming that, oh, it works, I can show that it works. Well, show it. That's what, let's share, let's do this together. Okay, point number 5. The people are checking this out, working together, building new tools, making things available, doing things for free online programs, etc. 6. So after 54 years of working intensively in astrology, I've won prestigious awards. Some people left comments like, oh, you got your ideas from AI. Oh, God, no. I just used that as an example to, the AI helped find, it's a search engine. It's like saying, oh, you used Google to search. I just used it as a search engine to find information for me in a convenient way. It does a better job at finding a lot of details than my Google search sometimes. So anyway, after 54 years and still going, I ain't stopping, man. As long as I'm healthy and my brain works, this is just my personal passion. 54 years and counting. I've won prestigious awards. I'm showing this Regulus Award, considered to be one of the highest awards, etc. I'm really into this. It's this stuff you collect along the way if you dedicate your whole life to something. So I have concluded, just my personal conclusion, just to be direct and honest about it, that the application of modern research methods, and wow, modern research methods is a broad area. There's knowledge discovery, there's pattern recognition tools, there's basic fundamental statistics, all kinds of stuff, so cool stuff. And of course the computing power and everything just exploding. With all of this development, we are now making discoveries that, yes, it works. There are certain astrological words. This is revolutionary. This is exciting. This is what's happening. It also means the death of what we're doing. What we're doing in astrology is our personal experience, our conviction. If you watched the 50 minutes, all 50 minutes of the video I made last night, you'll see that, yes, astrology does work. It's very convincing as you use it. What's even more exciting is seeing that it works empirically using modern research methods. Last point, 7th point, we do not know yet how many of the existing rules for astrology, whether you're a Vedic astrologer, an evolutionary astrologer, a modern psychological astrologer, whatever rules you're using, we don't know yet how many of those rules will be confirmed. So far, we have confirmed astrological configurations inclining to things like bipolar disorder, very high confidence levels, replicated. It's very exciting. We're making it's called an evidence-based practice. That's what psychology runs on. That's what modern fields also like medicine. It's an evidence-based practice. We're conforming to the exact same rules that fields like psychology have instituted recently to be more rigorous and careful in what they conclude. So far, the rules that have been confirmed are not used by hardly any astrologers. They're kind of unusual rules. We'll see. We're just at the beginning of a whole new world. So that's it. Short and sweet what I'm trying to say. Many ways to participate. One of the things I'm promoting is the Cosmic Discovery Conference, people getting together. And you can go to cosmobiology.org to learn more about the ongoing conferences. That's it, my friends. There's my email address. There's my website. By the way, at the website, free of charge, you click on a button, getting access to over 800 tutorial videos. Man, we're creating a revolution, man. We're not kidding around. 800 videos, free, learn, explore. Cosmobiology Institute, free seminars, etc. This is a revolution. We can't be holding back. We're creating new levels of software that will be free and inexpensive to research, to analyze. There's a revolution happening. Astrology actually works. There's evidence, and we're building the tools, practical tools, to advance it. And evidence-based astrology will replace everything we're doing now. That's what I'm saying. Okay, that's it, my friends. God bless. Namaste.